12 years after the premiere of the first Audi R8 GT, Audi Sport GmbH is launching the second edition of this exclusive super sports car. The new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD. The 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine's output is boosted to 456 kilowatts, 620 PS, making it the most powerful rear-wheel drive unit in the history of the brand. A new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for faster shifts and the new torque rear driving mode allows drivers to choose their own level of ESC support. This enables controlled and simultaneously precise oversteering. The 7-stage torque rear can be adjusted via the control satellite on the steering wheel. The new R8 GT is limited to 333 units worldwide. New and exclusive exterior and interior features pay homage to the first generation of the R8 GT. These include, for example, sequential numbering, special light alloy wheels, and an interior in a combination of black and red. The new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD will be available at dealerships from 2023. Prices start at €225,000. Audi is leaning into the fashionable adrift mode options that are becoming popular amongst enthusiast cars, offering precise and controlled oversteering via a button on the steering wheel. This activates the new torque rear drive mode. It gives the driver a choice of 7 different predetermined profiles to aid in getting the rear to step out sideways. Audi says the system uses the traction control to modulate the slippage on offer. At the same time, wheel speed sensors, steering angle, accelerator pedal position, and the selected gear are all monitored to adjust output to the rear axle. As only fitting with hardcore renditions, the R8 GT has been put on a crash diet to shave off 44 pounds, 20 kilograms. Overall weight now sits at 3,461 pounds, 1,570 kilograms, with several alterations made to the car. These include exclusive and lightweight, 20-inch motorsport-inspired wheels, which are shod in Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires. Plus, ceramic brakes and bucket seats are standard, both of which add to the weight-saving measures. The front suspension components have seen pounds shed, too, while being designed to improve handling, specifically, the front anti-roll bar and its connecting rods. The anti-roll bar is now made out of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP. Meanwhile, the two coupling rod connections are made of red anodized aluminum. If that's not enough for the racer within, Audi is happy to sell you a set of sportier R8 GT coilovers, which come with the ability to adjust compression and rebound levels. In the interior, Audi Sport GmbH continues its homage to the first R8 GT from 2010. The interior is crafted in a combination of black and red. This includes red belts, only available in the R8 GT from 12 years ago. The floor mats and the R8 bucket seats feature the lettering of the special model in black and red. One highlight, customers can find the sequential numbering of their R8 GT in the middle of the selector lever, partially matted in the carbon inlay. The Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD will arrive in dealerships, including Europe and North America from 2023. Prices start at €225,000, around $221,000 at current exchange rates, in Germany. Audi said that US-specific details, including volume and pricing, will follow at a later date. But, with just 333 available, you better get your orders in quick.
Use your headphones for ASMR 8D sound.